All right, just received this from Amazon. This was one of those Amazon warehouse deals. It was marked as either good or acceptable, not one of those very good or excellent condition. Just either good or acceptable. I'll put a image up showing the specific labeling that they used on it. But I wanted to unbox this on camera and get an idea of what they consider that condition and what you should expect when you buy from Amazon warehouse. And you can see this is saying it's a second life. This is the ZV-E10 or ZV-E10 for those non-US, most of the world that pronounce it Z. Very plain box. You got the warranty, information about the lens, just a reference guide there, and some more paperwork. This is about protection plans from Sony. So we'll put all that to the side. And looks like accessories. You can see this was opened up. And I'm not sure if they actually used it or not, but it's going to be your neck strap. Sony. Looks like it's in perfect condition. Put that to the side. Actually came with a little wall charger adapter. This is actually labeled a Sony brand. There's a USB Type A to Type C charging cable. This feels like the battery. Yes, it is. And you can see on there it's the NP FW50. Show both these cameras. Put that to the side. This is going to be the dead cat that people call. Feels brand new. Put that to the side. Last but not least, I'll try to take this out gently. Here is the camera. Came with the lens cap on it still. And you can see it's in really good condition on the front here. Just some smudges that I've already created myself. Looking around, I don't see any marks around. Taking a look on the top, it does not have the little cap here for the shoe. All the buttons and switches look great. Right there you can see the model in 4K. Looks great there. No scratches or marks, just little fingerprints that I'm making from it being cold. Screen, no scratches, no marks, no scuffs, just the fingerprint that I just made there. Some more buttons and dials on the bottom. Battery and memory compartment. Everything looks good. Your tripod mount. This side. Looks like you got the mic port right here. Yep. Your other ports. You got a USB Type-C on the top, micro HDMI on the bottom right there, and looks like a headphone jack for those to monitor their audio levels. Let's open this here. We'll slide the battery in. There's no memory card in there yet, but we can at least test it. We'll take the lens cap off. here is the lens. Not sure how well that's focusing, but I see no smudges, marks, scratches, dents, dings, nothing at all. This thing looks like it's straight brand new. We'll flip the power on. There's the display. Zooming. Move this box out of the way and we'll put, let's just put some paperwork. So we can have something to zoom in on, and there's the zoom. This is handheld, so I do have a little bit of a shake in there, but you get the idea of the image quality coming straight out of the box on a Amazon warehouse deal. It might be a little too close for me on that paper there, but now we lost the focus. There it goes. So I'd have to say, not bad at all. All right, that'll do it. Thanks for watching.